Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Traveling Karina, and this video I'm going to take you for a tour of a junior suite at the Gran Muthu Rainbow Resort in Cayo Guillermo, Cuba. Junior suites can be found in buildings 1 to 3, and there is the option of Seaview or Garden View. And the really cool feature is that there is an elevator in buildings 2 and 3. Before I show you a Seaview Junior Suite room, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to the channel if this is something that you enjoy watching. And as promised, here is a look at room number 3219. It's a Seaview Junior Suite.